Hello and happy holidays from the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today is Thursday, December 26th, and we're presenting this video chart on CNDO. That's Coronado Industries, Inc. And before I break down this video chart, I want to take you over to our blog, BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. In case you haven't been there, let's type in the symbol CNDO. And this is when we were first talking about it here, Friday, December 13th. Let's take a look at what we were discussing in our blog here on CNDO. Notice CNDO, we talked about how there's a large gap to fill on the chart, and because of it breaking the 50-day moving average, we said that it could potentially fill this gap. That's what we were looking for. And sure enough, we're seeing that action today. We broke above that 50-day moving average that day that we put that out, or shortly after that. And now that we broke above this candle, we're seeing higher highs, and we're seeing that this gap starting to get filled. And there's been a nice move out of CNDO since we first mentioned it in our newsletter. And today's action, we closed near the high of day. The high of day was 309, closed at 304, up 26% on the day. So that's why I wanted to do a quick rundown on CNDO video chart, point out what we've been watching transpire here over the past couple weeks. I definitely see some more upside in this play. These are some of our favorite chart setups when we get this big gap down and it comes off of being oversold. Notice the RSI was way oversold here, and we've started to recover on the RSI, and we've been getting the move up. So now that we're above this candle and we're above this candle, we're going to look to hold support off of these candles here. So this $2.48, $2.45 range, that was today's low. We want to see that hold as our level of support. Below that, we have a level of support around the $2 range. So if we do see a consolidation or a pullback, we want to be on the lookout for those two levels of support to hold. And I would use those two levels of support as a possible stop loss. Be sure to keep an eye on CNDO. I want to turn your attention to the CNDO January 18th calls. These could potentially see some nice price increases if CNDO continues its ascent upwards and continues to fill that gap. These are the $2.50 January 18th calls. They close up today 260% at 72 cents. They were as low as 30 cents today, so over 100% move just today out of these calls. And if CNDO can fill this gap more and head back to the $4-5 range, you could see those calls make another 100 or 200% move. It's all about getting pushed in the money. We like the action on CNDO. It's been a good percentage gainer so far from our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Be sure to stop by our blog, sign up for updates, and we'll continue to track the progress on CNDO. Hope you had great holidays. Wish you all the best in a happy new year. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there.